With our latest update, you now have even more control over your color selection in the Edit module. Introducing the new Swatches feature, designed to make working with colors in Raspberry AI faster, easier, and even more consistent with your workflows and other tools. You can now create custom swatch palettes directly inside the platform. Simply click the plus sign button to add the colors from the color picker to your palette. But that's not all. You can also upload existing color palettes in ASE or ACO formats. The same files you use in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and other design tools. Just click the Upload Swatches arrow button, select your ASE or ACO file, and your colors will instantly populate into your swatch library, ready for you to use. Since your files may be quite large, you have the ability to search by hex code or color name. To delete swatch colors, click and drag to select one or multiple colors. Then click the trash icon to delete the selected swatches. Finally, you have the ability to easily reset all of your swatches to start again. Whether you're building from scratch or bringing in existing Adobe palettes, our new Swatches feature in the Edit module gives you total color control right at your fingertips.